guys, so let's make this simple prepoo with just honey and extra virgin olive oil. This is the go-to prepoo you can use on your hair if you have no options. It's important to use both, like this honey and then not just honey, because honey is a bit sticky and it may end up messing up when you're applying it. My name is Lydia, and if you're new to the channel, please do well to subscribe. It's a simple prepoo video you can save for later. So I'm using honey, and then why am I using honey? Honey serves as a very good humectant for the hair. It provides lots of moisture. So if you're someone who struggles with dry hair, breaking hair, hard hair and all that, honey is your good to go option. So first of all, I just mixed it with extra virgin olive oil. You don't really need to do any calculation or measurements. Just have to use what you think that will suit your hair. So I just mixed them and then sectioned my hair. I made sure to spray some water on it in order to dampen my hair a bit before going in with this treatment, because you don't want to do this on a very dry hair. You have to do it on a partly moist or dampened hair. So yes, Prepoo is the first step that you do to your hair before you shampoo. Like, it's great. It's really, really great. It makes your wash day really simple. It makes everything simple. Like, you'll be like, wow, how did I miss out on this? So I always recommend Prepoo if I'm giving anybody any advice for their hair, recommending that you use Prepoo on your natural hair. Please focus on your scalp as well, because honey is really able to open your scalp or your hair follicles and also promote hair growth. So focus on your scalp and then do your finger detangling in order to reduce your hair from breaking or shedding unnecessarily. So after doing this, I just put my hair in twists. It's very good to wash your hair in twists so that managing your hair will be very, very easy. I was fortunate to have my cousin help me section my hair. Like, I may post natural hair videos, but I really struggle when I want to section my hair. Sometimes most parts of my hair don't get much of the goodies. But then my cousin was around, so I helped her. I asked her to help me, and then she really, really did a great job. So I only parted the ones that are easy, like the sides of my hair, and then she did the entire section for me. So I'd like to say a big thank you to her. So when you do this, you just put your hair in twists. You don't want everything to just jam up in one whole hair. You would end up missing some parts. So just do it in such a way that you will be able to focus on one hair at a time. One section at a time. And this is also able to reduce shedding. Like, you really, really reduce hair shedding when you practice this method. So why is Prepoo very important? Prepoo, as the name goes, is preparing your hair before you shampoo. Some people don't do it. Some people do it with herbs. That's me. I use herbs as Prepoo sometimes, which I'll be putting a video here shortly. Some people also use butter. Some people use shea butter to Prepoo their hair. Some people use conditioners to Prepoo their hair. It's solely up to you and what works for you. Sorry, I had a lot of people there and there was a lot of conversation, so that's why you see me talking like that. But on the usual, I don't really talk when I am recording my videos. While recording. So Prepoo is a step that you shouldn't want to miss. Like, I could really tell how my hair became very, very soft and manageable after I used the Prepoo on my hair. I used honey and then aloe vera Prepoo. Olive oil Prepoo. I'll have a video on how you can use aloe vera gel to Prepoo your hair. In fact, I'll have several videos. The reason I haven't been consistent is because I was moving out of my old place to a new place, and it was very, very hectic. Even if I wasn't doing anything, my mind was really, really occupied. So I couldn't get the mental, stability to do anything. Record any video. But now I'm back. I have settled and I'm back with putting out content. This video is specifically for Gracie. She requested for a Prepoo video, and this is the simplest Prepoo video you can do for your hair. It's really simple, but very, very, very effective, and I absolutely love it so much. Yes. So when you are done applying it throughout your hair, don't forget to give yourself a very good scalp massage. Like, massage your scalp really well, because we know that massaging the scalp is what promotes the hair growth. And then make sure to massage your edges as well. If you are someone like me whose edges is always misbehaving, make sure you massage your edges as well. Yes. So, and then when you are done, the whole point of Prepoo is to trap in some heat and to feed your follicles as well, not just to strengthen your hair. It's also good to feed your hair follicles. So wearing a steamer cap is able to open your pores, your scalp pores, for any product to penetrate easily. So after about 15 minutes, you can just wash everything out. Yes, I didn't show the washing part of it, but after I washed my hair felt so soft. So after you shampoo your hair, you follow up with your regular deep conditioner or your conditioner, and then you are good to go. This is a complete wash day routine that you can try for yourself and for others. I have other good news. I'll be sharing other videos of me doing people's hair on this channel. So please get ready. I'm really excited about this phase that I have gone into. And yes, of course, I'll be sharing most of the tips and the tricks and everything that I know with you all. If this is the first time you're stopping by, my name is Lydia. This is Naturallee. This is a community where I share my hair journey with you, the ups and downs I've been through, and also how you can also avoid them. And also just general hair tips. You know, I love natural hair. I love the nature-given hair. And I always want to look for easy ways to go about them. Let me know if there's something you are more interested in. And thank you so much for stopping by to watch this video. I really do appreciate it. Till next time, I'll see you next in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like and leave a comment. Till next time, bye.